Hey guys, have you ever wondered if you could play more longer time on the MetaQuest 3 and you don't know how and which head strap you should buy for your MetaQuest to play more longer? So I have two of these. I have an Elite strap which has a 2293 mAh. So it's very low, it's not that much. So you can play more than hours. And but another way I had the best option with a cheaper price from Annapro 83 Max battery head strap. So this one is very comfortable design, as you can see. So it also have a balance and a halo design type. So this has a 10,800 mAh battery. So it's very long. It's like 5 times of the battery on a you buy on $130 Elite strap. So this one has a foam. It's very comfortable, and also this on the head. It's very comfortable. So I'm gonna show you how it's wearing it and how it's gonna look. This one is also balance out your weight distribution. So weight distribution is great. You feel balanced and your head is very light and you playing games. And if you would still want to buy external battery, they also offer external battery. You could buy a dock and an external battery. So let's say if you're playing a battery about to die, 2 or 3% left, you could easily swap it. Like grab your controller, two of them in one hand, grab it, pull it out, put it on the table, grab the new one, just put it back in. It's a magnetic. It has a strong magnet. It doesn't gonna fall until you pull up the straight. If you pull up on the sideway, it's not gonna come in. So you have to pull up straight. And you know the price is less than $70. It's very cheap, but you could get a more discount on it. You get 15% discount using my promo code YTMyGames1. If you use the link in the description box or the pinned comment, you get automatically 15% discount at the checkout. Or if you didn't get that, make sure you put the YTMyGames1 and you automatically get the 15% discount on there, and you could buy it on more cheaper price. Right now it's on a very sale, so a lot of people buying it. It's very cheap right now, so I hope you get the chance to get it before the sale is over and the discount is also over. So, and I hope you're gonna enjoy the game while playing with the MetaQuest 3.